Suppose now that lightning hits your vehicle. What if you're inside without touching any metal parts? Or you are inside but touching some metal parts? What if you're outside just leaning on it? Or what if you're just passing by? What if it's like the Chevy Corvette, which is not made of metal but fiberglass? What if the vehicle is a war tank? What if the vehicle is an airplane? Let's answer these questions. Here's the first. Lightning hits your vehicle. What if you're inside without touching any metal parts? Many believe the same as this man that got hit by lightning in his truck.
As the tallest object for miles, the truck attracts a surge of 100 million volts. John is unhurt. But his electrified ride may have become a death trap.
As soon as the inside of the truck filled with smoke, I realized I needed to get out of the car. But at the same time, I was terrified that if I touched any of the metal, that I might be instantly electrocuted.
The sheriff that showed up responding to his 911 call seemed to have learned his physics well enough. He explained to John that he was never in real danger. The metal body of his truck took the hit and deviated all the electric current from him.
When a sheriff arrives, he informs John that the metal machine is perfectly safe.
You can see where the lightning went in, right there in the corner. This lightning strike that happened to me was the most terrifying experience of my life. All of the electricity was channeled around me and down to the pavement below, and that's what saved me. I'm living proof that you're safe in your vehicle during a thunderstorm.
Question number 2. Lightning hits your vehicle. What if you're inside but touching some metal parts? Say you're touching one metal part inside your car. There are one-point things, like the touch of life and the magic touch. The electric shock is just not one of those things. It is not a one-point thing. You only get an electric shock when an electric current flows through some part of your body. So there must be one point for the current to come in, and at least another one for it to go out. That makes it a 2 or more point thing. So, if you're touching just one metal part inside your car, no shock can ever happen when a single point of contact is involved, because current needs at least another point to go out. What if you're touching more than one metal part inside the car? All the metal in the vehicle is at the same potential, so electrically speaking, it is the same point. Look at it this other way. The electric current has no reason to go through you when it can go through the metal, which is several million times a better conductor, right? What if you are outside but leaning on it? Besides it being offensive to the owner of the car, tires are very bad conductors of electricity. So bad are they that breaking the air with an arc becomes an easier path for the current of the bolt. Your body is a much better conductor than the tires. If lightning hits, you will fry. What if it's like a Chevy Corvette, which is not made of metal but fiberglass? A great car, but defense against lightning is not among its many features. However, No incidents of Corvettes being hit by lightning has ever been reported. Finally, what if you're just passing nearby? Well, that would be being at the wrong place at the wrong time. What if the vehicle is a war tank? The crew inside the tank will feel much less the hit than those riding a car or pickup truck, for the armor of the tank is a lot more conducting than the thin metal sheets of cars and trucks. The guy leaning on the tank has a better chance than the one leaning on the car. Since the tank has no tires, it makes better contact to the ground than he does. Yet, it could still be the wrong place at the wrong time. What if the vehicle is an airplane? A commercial flight spends most of its time flying over the clouds, and no lightning can strike there. Yet, while taking off and landing, a plane may go through the clouds, and there it may happen. Actually, it happens to most commercial airliners at least once or twice a year. But being the body made of aluminum and other very conductive alloys, the bolt goes in and out without any serious damage. What about those modern airplanes that are made with lighter carbon composite materials like the Boeing Dreamliner or the Airbus A350S? It is precisely for that reason that the carbon composite is coated with copper. If you learned something with this video, subscribe to the channel. This is Armando Rodriguez. So long.